Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-ons we have that coordinate with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper, and the embellishment add-on. So you can add on 1, 2, or all 3. You can also check out our Shots of Life. There'll be a link to that video at the end because it can add more pattern paper and embellishments. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything in each one of these add-ons. Starting with the cardstock add-on, you'll receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So there'll be 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you like to do cardstock backgrounds and double page layouts, or if you just want to do die cuts and matting your photos. This is a great add-on. So for the Bella Boulevard, Just Because, you're going to get 2 sheets of lilac and 1 sheet of Mexican poppy. For the Summer Vibes collection from Echo Park, you're going to get 2 sheets of Stonewash and 1 sheet of Gold Rush. For the Pink Fresh Picture Perfect, you're going to have 2 sheets of Aqua and 1 sheet of Limeade. You can see how well these colors coordinate. And then for the Simple Stories Pack Your Bags, you're going to get 2 sheets of Robin's Egg and 1 sheet of Grapefruit. Your next add-on is the pattern paper add-on, and for the pattern paper add-on you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So none of these will be repeats, they're all new pattern papers. So for Bella Boulevard, Just Because, we have this paper here. This is called Frame Worthy, and it's a lot of frames with little words and phrases and then some florals, just super cute. The back is a large polka dot, tone-on-tone pink. We have this paper called Moments, which is the stripes. And then the back is a cloud print in the tone-on-tone blue. For Echo Park Summer Vibes, we have this one with the surfboards. And the back is an orangey red with a golden orange polka dot. This one's called Surfs Up. And we have all of the different floaties on the blue grid background. The back is a leaf print, tone-on-tone green. This is called Pool Pals. Picture Perfect from Pink Fresh. We have this paper called Live in the Moment, which are bouquets of florals. And the back is a floral design, tone-on-tone pink. I have this one called Picture Perfect, which is all of these frames. Again, some of them have phrases in them and some are blanks. This would be really fun to fussy cut and do a design for your background. The back is a striped pattern. And then for Simple Stories Summer Snapshots, we have this fun pink floral on the orange background, just screams summer. And the back is a tone-on-tone green print. This paper is called Summer Stories. I don't remember if I said that. This paper is called Easy Breezy, and it's a play on kind of a grid design. And then a polka dot with all of the different colors. So one more look at all the patterned papers. Love the B-sides pattern papers. And then your A-sides. Our last add-on is the embellishment add-on, and I always love the embellishments. So starting with Bella Boulevard, Just Because, you're going to get one of the Bella Pops, which I think is so much fun. This is the little bumblebees and the butterflies and then some epoxy daisies. So they're all popped up for you already. For the Echo Park Summer Vibes, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. And then for Picture Perfect from Pink Fresh, you're going to get half a pack of the sticker sheet. So it'll be this one or the other one. So this is what will vary among the kits. And then Simple Stories Summer Snapshots, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scallop down here of that lemonade print. Lots of word labels. Love the big summer title. And then the banner here, So Sunny. You're going to see that camera. So don't forget the free cut file that you get. So this is perfect. It's a little camera similar to that and a little Polaroid. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons. Be sure to come over to the Facebook group and the blog and check out everything that the design team is creating, as well as the sketch, the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, all the other inspiration. There's just tons. And then be sure to check out these other kits here that I've put the reveal videos for. And we want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.